video, we're going to be talking more about marketing and about Google AdWords. Thank you again for purchasing the ebook or the printed version of the book off of Amazon. I greatly appreciate that, and I hope you do find some true value here in the videos that I'm giving to you that are exclusive only to you for buying the book. That's my way of saying thank you. And so here we go with Google AdWords. So I mentioned a little bit about Google AdWords when I was talking about the website and about social media marketing. I probably mentioned maybe a little bit about that in there, but this video is geared strictly towards Google AdWords. The reason why you want to use Google AdWords, you don't even want to bother with Yahoo or Bing, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. You can use those websites and their version of AdWords, you know, for marketing your business, but I don't do that. I've never found those successful. I've tried them and haven't really gotten a lot of jobs from spending money with Bing or Yahoo. They hold the smallest percentage of the search market, however you say that. Google is number one. We all know that. I think they take up like 70 to 80% of the whole market for search engine marketing, or the search engine market to begin with. So as far as Google AdWords, they are your number one go-to for your marketing. If I was going to spend any money anywhere, whether it was online or offline, it would be online, and it would be with Google AdWords. I have had tremendous success with Google AdWords. You can have a campaign for as little as $30 or less a month. It's up to you how much you want to spend. My recommendation starting off would just to be spend $30 a month and stretch out that budget over the period of the month. And then you have to just learn how to do a Google AdWords campaign. There are plenty of books online, either on Amazon or Barnes & Noble. I might even have a link on my website to one of those books. You can go to windowcleaningdude.com if you're not already there and look for that link, or some of those books on how to do a Google AdWords campaign. I know I've definitely used books and I've had tremendous success using those books and learning and understanding how to set up a campaign effectively. I'm not going to try and teach you that here in this video. It's just really too much material to cover, and the people who write those books are just, you know, they're much more well versed in the subject than me just trying to regurgitate the stuff that I learned from those books. You just go buy the book, go through the book, you're going to learn how to set up your Google AdWords campaign. And so basically what I wanted to talk about in this video is that, you know, use Google AdWords not only in my window cleaning business, but in other businesses that I have and run, because I actually have several businesses that I had before I even started my window cleaning business. I've always used Google AdWords, and it's always helped my business tremendously. Even when I didn't have a website, I still use Google AdWords, and like I said, you definitely want to have a website, as I mentioned in my other video, but you do want to use Google AdWords and drive traffic to your website. You don't have to have a website to use Google AdWords. You can just have them call your phone number. Definitely want to have Google AdWords, and then lead that traffic to your website, and then from there you're going to generate new customers. If you've never tried it before, don't be scared by it. Just get the book, get any book. I'm sure I'm going to have a link on my website, windowcleaningdude.com, but just get any book on Google AdWords, whether it's from my website, a link from my website, or wherever, whether it's Barnes & Noble or Amazon, it doesn't really matter. Just pick up a book and then go through the process. Make sure you get a current book for 2018 or beyond, just depending on when you're watching this video. The time of this video, it is 2018, so I would recommend getting the most current book on Google AdWords, because it is always changing. A lot of it is pretty much the same, but they are always making changes, so you want to stay up to date on those changes as you put together your ad. There are different types of ads to do, and there are different places where you can show your ad. I suggest you always just stick with the text ad, and you only show it on the Google search engine. Don't show it in the display network. In the display network, you're going to be showing that ad on all kinds of websites. It might even be showing on other window cleaning websites. That's not what you want to do. You want just the people who are coming straight to the Google search engine and then searching on the Google search engine. That's where you want to target your ads for the window cleaning, for any kind of service really, whether it's window cleaning or pressure washing or whatever else you might be offering, and Christmas lights, whatever your add-on services are to your business. You want it all to just be on the Google search engine, not the display networks. So make sure you're clicking on that appropriately when you're going through the process of setting up your campaign. And then, as I also mentioned in my previous video, you make sure you do the Google Maps listing for your business. That's also vital. Definitely want to take that. Just makes a big difference, you know. You take advantage of that. Definitely it's going to help you be on the first page of Google also. Now, when you are competing with Google AdWords, you are going to have to compete for keywords. So it's important that you do your keyword research. Obviously the main keywords are window cleaning, window washing, window cleaner, window washer, and any towns that you're choosing to clean in. So you want to have window cleaning LA, Los Angeles, like if you're in Los Angeles, window washing Los Angeles, window cleaner Los Angeles. You get the idea. So those are going to be your main keywords, and I would stick to pretty much that. I don't think you really need to go too far out in terms of keywords other than that, because those really are your main keywords, and that's where you want to spend your money. That's where you want to compete with, because those are the main keywords that people are going to type in when they are looking for a window cleaner. Now there probably are some other long tail keywords that you can go with, but I would make those a separate campaign. I wouldn't include that in the same campaign. You're also going to want to put together different ads, which you're going to learn about in these books that you're going to buy, or a book you're going to buy for putting together a AdWords campaign. When you buy a book, it's going to talk about you test marketing different ads. So you want to be comparing ads, you want to be trying out different ads. You usually want to split test your ads, so you want to have at least two different type of ads with different wording, and then you want to use the same keywords for those two ads, and then see which one does better, and then keep the better one, and then try to come up with another one, and then compare those two ads for a while, and then keep sticking with the best one. And eventually what's going to happen is you're just going to create a very successful ad that's going to then bring down your cost per click for what you're going to pay, because the more successful your ad is, Google rewards you for having successful ads. And so as you split test and increase that ad click-through rate, you're going to then lower your cost for those keywords, which is going to save you money and allow your ad to show even more. So that is my advice on creating a Google AdWords campaign. In your ad, you are also going to want to have a call to action. So that might be like the word discount, window cleaning discount, but you need some kind of call to action to make people want to click on your ad. And so whether that's the price you're offering or a discount or whatever it's going to be, you need to figure that out. I would always just put window cleaning discount, or I put, window cleaning discount up to 20 windows for $179. That's what I put. Free screens, tracks, and sills. If you can get all that into your ad, great. Go with that. That's what I always did, and I just always ran that same ad. I found that to be a very successful ad. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't still split test. You should still split test and try other ad variations. You would probably find something more successful than what I had. So go with that if you want to. You can use what I did, or come up with your own stuff. Look at what other window cleaners are doing if they are doing ads in your area, and might try doing similar type ads. Or you might look at other bigger cities and look at more competitive markets like New York City and stuff like that, and see what window cleaners are doing there if that's not where you live, and try to maybe mimic their ads and then do it in your town. So those are some ideas there for when you are creating your AdWords ad. Other than that, there's really not much more to say about Google AdWords. Like I said, find a good book, check my website. I might have a link to one there. At the time of this video, I don't actually have one on there, but now that I'm recording this video, I think I'm going to go ahead and link to an Amazon book on there for you, so that I might even link to the same book that I used. They probably have an updated version of that, so I'll go looking for that after this video and link that to my website, and then you can go ahead and click on that link if you want and get started there looking for a book to use to start your Google AdWords. So I will see you in the next video.